Number 2 Market Street. This is in the 5511 Crane Community Electrical Assessment. The 100 amp load center has been exposed. We have a 20 amp breaker with 2 circuits to 1. This needs to be separated. Each line has to have 1 circuit breaker. So we're going to have to make room for that in the actual load center. And then we have a 10-3 or 10-2 actually going to a 50 amp double breaker. That's going to be a 220 volt circuit. It goes through the actual what's supposed to be a watertight fitting, but the actual conduit, flexible conduit, is short and needs to be pulled out and reinstalled the correct way. It is going through a small crack next to the electrical L box. Presents a possible cut hazard. This is metal, so we have to give it its own entry point and install a larger flex conduit to accommodate that. But I'm assuming it's going to be a 10-3 or a 10-2 or an 8-2 220 volt circuit. Proceeded to the back of the property. Don't have interior access. The place is boarded up, but we do have another 220 volt disconnect that's coming from the attic gable vent, which needs to be enclosed on the inside. We do have some heat damage here on the actual watertight connection. This needs to be removed and installed correctly. The entry to the property does not have the proper entry connection or enclosure. This is not watertight. This is a 220 amp disconnect. I need to relocate this. Also, discovered while during the electrical inspection, we have an active leak at the rear of the home on the main entry line to the property. It is an active leak. This will need to be repaired. New secondary cutoff valve and union to the entry water supply to home.